Hello dear students, in last lecture we have discussed about the what is meant by rhizospheric soil, bulk soil and what is the importance of rhizospheric soil. So here we will discuss about the rhizosphere effect on microorganism. Normally we have said population of microorganism at rhizospheric region is more because of presence of different organic substances for the nutritional requirement for the microorganism. That's why normally microorganisms are near to the root proximity are more as compared to the as distance increases, number of population of microorganisms decreases. Rhizosphere region is highly favorable habitat for growth, activity and metabolism of numerous microorganisms. As we have discussed already, in close proximity with the roots, there is a presence of different sorts of amino acids, vitamins, enzymes, different nutrition minerals released from the plant root, and they are available for the microorganisms growth. That's why near to the plant root or close proximity at the rhizospheric soil, it is a favorable condition for the growth, activity and metabolism of some types of microorganisms or numerous kinds of microorganisms. Microbial activity in the rhizosphere will be 2 to 10 times greater than in the bulk soil. As we already discussed, bulk soil is again apart away from the rhizospheric region, and it is quite in the bulk soil organic content may be decreased or it contains lower quantity of organic substances. That's why microbial activity near to the rhizospheric region are 10 to 10 times higher that of the bulk soil. Rhizosphere is a tremendous complex biological system which profoundly influences the chemistry of soil, including pH and nitrogen transformation. As there is more number of microbiological activity, that's why there are quite changes in the pH and nitrogen transformation are continuously carried out. Microbial flora of the rhizosphere are affected by the soil type, moisture, soil pH, proximity of root with soil, plant species and age of the plant and root exodus. Okay, what happens? Microbial flora which is near to the rhizosphere or in close proximity with the plant root, they are affected by the type of soil. Which type of soil is it also affect the microbial population. Moisture content of that soil. As we know, microorganisms also required nutrition for their growth, moisture or we can say water for the microbial growth, soil pH as optimum pH for the normal growth of organism is up to neutral pH, as increasing pH or decreasing pH also affect the health of organism, proximity of root with soil, close contact with soil so that release substances from the root can be easily available for the growth of microorganism, plant species, which type of species of that plant is so that requirement of nutrition can be easily available for the microorganisms, and age of the plant and the root exudates. What type of the age of that plant? So all these factors are responsible on the growth of microorganisms or population of microorganisms at rhizospheric region. Greater rhizosphere effect is observed on bacteria. In rhizosphere, bacteria predominate and their growth is enhanced by the nutritional substances from the plant tissue. Normally, we can say more of the effect of rhizospheric soil or more effect we can observe on the growth of bacteria, as they are completely depend on the nutrition present in the soil and released from the plant roots. Bacteria feed on lot of plant cells, amino acids, protein, growth factor and sugars released by the roots. As we have already discussed, in close proximity, microorganisms easily acquire the nutrition and organic substances released from the plant's roots. That's why their population at the rhizospheric region is more, and due to that, microorganisms easily grow. But as distance increases, growth of microorganism bacteria, or we can say more affected population is bacterial population, so their population can be decreased. The most common genera of bacteria found in rhizosphere are Pseudomonas, Arthrobacter, Agrobacterium, Alkylegen species, Azotobacter, Mycobacterium, Lavobacterium, Cellulomonas, Micrococcus, and other have been reported to be either abundant or sparse in the rhizosphere. These are nothing but some representative genus of the bacteria which are present predominantly at the rhizospheric region. Apart from that, millions numbers of microorganisms are normally present in the soil, but they are also in association with the plant roots, so that they are predominant in the rhizospheric region. Nitrogen fixing and phosphate solubilizing bacteria in the rhizosphere are abundance in the rhizosphere are of great importance. So normally when we discuss about agricultural microbiology, so we have to know about what is meant by nitrogen fixation and nitrogen fixer bacteria, phosphate solubilizing bacteria, and as they are in close proximity with the plant root, they are in more number with the close proximity with the plant roots. Protozoa and nematodes that graze on bacteria are also more abundant in the rhizosphere. In contrast, plant roots do not enhance the fungi in the rhizosphere. So these are nothing but the fluctuation in the population of microorganisms with respect to the nutritional requirement and other requirement for the growth of different types of microorganisms. Rhizosphere effect is selective and significant on specific fungal genera, including Fusarium, Verticulum, and Aspergillus, which are stimulated. Actinomycetes and algae are not significantly influenced by their proximity with the plant roots. So, plant root also shows a selective and significant effect on the fungal species, including that's Fusarium, Verticulum, and Aspergillus type of species. Apart from that, some species, Actinomycetes and alga, are not significantly influenced by the proximity with plant roots. Okay. Now we have to discuss about the microbiology of rhizosphere. The term rhizosphere to soil ratio indicates number of microbes in the rhizosphere soil divided by number of microbes in the soil free of plants. So we have to, in this lecture we have to discuss about the microbiology of rhizosphere. R is to S ratio is greater for bacteria, that is 20:1, and less for fungi and actinomycetes. Effect of rhizosphere is almost negligible for algae and protozoa. It is because algae are photosynthetic and do not depend upon the organic matter present in root exudes. On the other hand, most bacteria cannot utilize relatively resistant to organic matter of soil and depend on easily available decomposable matter of root exudes. Therefore, number of bacteria is exceptionally high in rhizosphere. So it is the basic idea of microbiology of rhizosphere. In next lecture we will discuss about the examples of rhizospheric microorganisms. We will discuss in next lecture.